Hi guys, welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we talk about the best passive income hustle for beginners. So this is something that you can do with little to no experience. So it is good for beginners. And we are talking about affiliate marketing, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, side hustles and small businesses, and any other thing that will bring money to your table. So guys, if this is the kind of content you're looking for, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking the red button. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into the video, guys. I remember in one of my videos on this channel, I mentioned how I have different blogs earning passive income from Amazon affiliate Amazon affiliate program. So now, if you haven't watched that video, I hope you will be able to go and watch it. It will appear up here. So please make sure and you watch it. So now today, I just want to elaborate on how affiliate marketing works. I hope you can pick up something from this video, and I hope that you can apply it um, in your next side hustle, or you can make it your next side hustle come 2023, because it is the year of making money. Affiliate marketing, guys, it means that you are going to sell other people's products. So now we will focus on Amazon because it is the biggest online store currently, but there are so many other brands that you can partner with so that you can sell their products and earn a commission from it. So now normally you need to have a website or a following for you to be able to do affiliate marketing. So now I will explain and elaborate on how you can use your blog to earn from Amazon. But now there are other ways that you can also earn your Amazon commission without having a website right now. You can also, even here on YouTube, as long as you have you have registered with Amazon Associates, and you have they'll give you a particular code, so now a link. So now that link is what you'll be putting in your description box on YouTube, so that when someone clicks it, they go directly to buy an item on Amazon, and that is how you earn a commission. Right now you can even do that on TikTok. You can also do that on Instagram. Actually, right now, as long as you have a good following on any of the social media platforms, you can actually sell anything. For example, on Instagram or TikTok, you might be having something that you're wearing. For example, a necklace or a beautiful handbag or a beautiful top. As long as something is good, especially I see this with ladies, as long as something is good, someone will want to know where you got it from. And that is your chance to sell that particular item. So you will direct them to your bio or to your description box or wherever, so that they can go and click the link and buy it. That is how you earn a commission with that particular brand. So let me demonstrate how you do that on your blog. So guys, when you want to register for Amazon affiliate program, you'll go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. So now it has brought me directly to my page, because now I'm already registered. But now, if you haven't, it should take you to a sign up wizard, where you will follow the instructions. It is just a simple procedure for registering to, just like the one for registering to any service online. So you'll follow the prompts and then register. And then after that, so whenever you go to Amazon, whether you want to buy or just browse through, your link, your special link will be there. So like for example, right now, I just typed amazon.com, and it has brought me here. So now if I wanted my affiliate link, I will simply go to text here, click text, and then it will populate here. So I simply copy it, copy, and then I go and paste wherever I want to paste it. So if I wanted people to follow something from my description box on the current video that I am recording, I'll simply go to YouTube and put this link there, and of course put a description. So now after that, now this is the link that you'll be putting in your website. So I am now on my website right now. So let's say I am reviewing. Let me look for a review. Best scripted. So I have done a review of best scripted to keep cats out of baby crib. So this is let's say this particular tent, Pro Baby Safety Crib Bob tent. So here I have put my Amazon link. So when someone comes and clicks this link to go and buy, they will land on my Amazon, on Amazon, but now with my link. So you can see hello Judith. So Judith is here. So they will come and buy this thing or any other thing. Even if they reach here and decided to buy some socks, they will still be using my link, so I will still earn a commission. So every time you review something on your website, you simply put an Amazon link, but now you put it with your code, the one that you have been given, so that when someone buys something through your link, you get a commission. So that is how it works with a website. I hope it is clear. So that is how it works when you have a website, guys. But now I have said that you don't have to tie yourself to a website. If you don't have one, you can still do affiliate marketing. Simply approach brands. For example, if I wanted to do affiliate marketing on this channel of mine, I can just do a Google search, or a simple Google search always solves your problems. So I can do a simple Google search for affiliate marketing for money niche. So now I can partner with brands such as Grammarly, Copyscape, any writing tools, any money like PayPal, like Wise, like things that are related to what I am doing. So now then I can just get that affiliate link, put it in my description box, and then sell it to my viewers. And then if you like the idea, of course, you can click it and go and purchase whatever, and I earn a commission just like that. So now there are so many, of course, there are so many affiliate programs, but now Amazon is just one of them. We also have ClickBank, which is also popular. We have Awin, we have Rakumen Affiliate, eBay Partner Network, and so many others that you can join. So guys, I hope you have learned something. I hope you can go and read further about affiliate marketing and try it out for yourself. And I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.